Sexy Chefs! Welcome back to my channel. This is YourMayores, your sexy chef. Today we're going to make my beef tapa. But before that, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button to notify you for more videos. So, Sexy Chefs, this is very easy recipe. Don't need to dry it up to make a beef tapa. So, here are the procedures and recipes. Stick to my video until the end to know more tips and tricks. So, Sexy Chefs, are you ready? Go na!
Audio Jungle.